Hi, my name is Patria Panyasai. The presentations for MIS 2111. So I've been presents about how to set up for online study and online midterm. So first of all, I never record, I never record this video, so it's quite challenging for me. Yeah. So let's the easy step for preparations online class. Yeah. So this is websites rms.msme and au.edu. It's like website that I doing every exercisements of IMS 21111 and these are the questions that I'm answered here. So you can see every assignments I do every assignment in here. From the COVID-19 situations, every school to put the measures to study online at home or study in this semester, like all online class. Where I'm going to share with you like is my online learning experience. So let's see. Due to the situations, I have to stay at home, which is how I live in the rented house. I spend the most of my time in the living room. I think starting in the bedroom makes me sleepy and distracted. The place I use is to study online was the dining table, like living rooms. Living room is to connect the dining tables is connected between living room. I always take the time to do my homework exam and work in here. Most importantly, I will take the time to read the textbook here as well. So you can see that's in my notebook. Yeah, and this book that I studied, and if I finish this book, I keep it in here. So the second hardware device, yeah. So hardware device is like the device that I use since during doing our exam, during the midterm exam, final exam, and do the every exercise. So, and one device that I use all the time is one's Asus VivoBook. So actually, I bought from 2020. So it's quite orange because just now 2022. Yeah. Before doing the midterm exam and the final exams, I always using the chart to chart battery 100% before doing exams. The exams, do I need check if our system ready from exams? The system always has the most problems. It is Wi-Fi connections. The Wi-Fi at my house is quite slow, or at some time there may be a problem with the signal connections. If this problem occur during test submission, I always tell the teachers 10 minutes before submissions in advance. If I feel that is my Wi-Fi connections quite very slow, I'm going to leave Wi-Fi and connect the mobile internet to solve these problems. So online teachings require software to help in teaching material, whether the software uses writings, links. The first software is Google Doc. Google Doc, which is a software used for blending and presentation. Software will make you read and write the works easier. It has many convenience functions, whether the spellings correct grammatical errors, yeah, something like that. The second software is Google Chrome's. This is a software view help makes work easier because I have to use this software to find informations, making report and presentations. Include exam. I need to text in LMS. So LMS MSME is the function, is the website that I have to do the midterm exam and final exam. The right software is Microsoft Teams. This is a software used in the current teachings. This software has its functions that's using like presentation and teaching. Yeah, in check attendance, something like that. So the important function is like in turn on the microphones and turn on camera during the presentations and participation in class, like answer questions, video call during teachings as well. For preparing for the midterm or final exams, I will prepare and study before the midterm and final exams so that I can concentrate on the exam, as the online exam is more difficult than the normal exams because the content in exam is more than a normal exam. The time is limited, something like that. I think it's quite difficult to do the exam, and the problem faces in our online class is Wi-Fi connections or internet connection. Yeah, so this is a very common problems for online exam. Some students have to submit exam more than 5 minute rate with slow software and internet connection. Yeah, this is the problems. And during the online exams and online exam and campus, I choose campus because as we know, as starting online is really effective. Effect is less effective than campus. Yeah, I hurriedly admit that study online makes me feel like no unprepared, something like that. And so I think that preventing cheating for online exam may not be effective as on campus exams because the easiest way to prevent issue large number of exams then issue in order to make student make student play attentions. Yeah, and makes times. And how use IT to prevent cheating in exam? Is a student are prohibit from recording video or locking contents, locking slide or MS Teams. So this can prevent the student or cheating.